girl with bicycle bells, the dark had wooden teeth. Oh, we broke on up to hill country. The air was thin and sweet. Lord, the air was thin and sweet. She held on to my coat that night like a kid lost in her sleeves. Oh, we warmed the ground, we hushed our sound, slept on walking feet. Lord, we slept on walking feet. Oh, darling, pardon me. Can you help me remember when we were flying free? We were dust from our bodies and we were flicker and flame. Yeah, we burned till the morning, darling, pardon me. Off in the night you can hear them bright, the sirens of the sea. Oh, and city birds and alley girls, they all just sing for free. Oh, they all just sing for free. Oh, darling, pardon me. The two I look familiar, we were just larkspur and leaves. We were strong through the tether, we were silver and stone. We were the lust of the miners, darling, pardon me. All calico like phosphor in the sea. To the ground we fall, she owns us all. Kings and boys and beasts, kings and boys and beasts. Oh, darling, pardon me. The two I look familiar, we were flying free, and we burned from a freight train. We were flicker of truth in the smile of a salesman. We were buried jewels 'neath the grass in the suburbs. We